2 plus 3 times 6 divided by 5 times 2. Alright, so some people used to do this in the wrong way. Like if you try it like this, you do 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Alright, times what? 6 divided by 5 times 2. Alright, now 5 times 6, this is going to give us 30 divided by 5 times 2. So we can go ahead and do 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is going to give us 6 times 2, which is equals to what? 12. But this answer is wrong. According to PEMDAS, PEMDAS. So PEMDAS, you have to solve for parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, and this rule states that you have to solve from left to right. Okay, so now multiplication and division have equal priority, same as addition and subtraction. So you are solving from left to right. So if we do that, we are going to have 2 plus 3 times 6 divided by 5 times 2. All right. So first of all, what we need to do, because PEMDAS says we have to do multiplication first. All right. So we do this multiplication first, which is 2 plus 3 times 6 is going to give us 18 divided by what? 5 times 2. All right. Now, check your PEMDAS again. PEMDAS says we have to do multiplication next. Division, sorry. So we are coming to division. Then you bring down. Now, you can rewrite this 18 divided by 2 like this. 2 plus 18 divided by 5, times 2, okay? Now, if you come back to your PEMDAS, this is addition, this is multiplication, this is division. So we have to do multiplication first. So now we have 2 plus 18 times 2 is going to give us what? 36. 18 times 2 will give you 36 over 5. Now we can make this to a fraction as well. All right. So we can also make this to a fraction. Now, in solving this equation, we are going to use our butterfly method to solve this math. So if we use the butterfly method, we'll draw this first. All right. 1 times 36 is going to give us 36. Then we'll draw this symbol here. 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. This addition symbol, you put it here. 1 times 5 is 5. So we have this plus this, 10 plus 36 is going to give us 46 over 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. Now, this is the answer, but we can still break this answer down. Now, this is an improper fraction. I want us to make the answer a mixed fraction and a decimal number. The answer should also be in decimal number. So now, 46 divided by 5. 5 will go into 46. How many times? 9 times. Remainder 1 over this denominator here. So we have 9 whole number 1 over 5. Now, let's use our long division to check for the decimal number, decimal answer. So we'll put our 46 inside here, 46, then bring down the dividing number. So 5 will go into 46 how many times? It is going to go 9 times. So 9 times 5 will give you 45. All right. Now we have to subtract. So if we subtract, this minus this will give us 1. All right. So 5 cannot divide 1. So what do? You put your point here, add 0. All right. Now 5 can divide this 10 now. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. 2 times this 5 is going to give us 10. So if we subtract, we are going to get 0, 0. All right. So our fraction, so let me box the 3 answers. So we have a mixed fraction answer. All right. We have, this is improper fraction answer. We have a mixed fraction answer. And we have a decimal number answer. So we have 3 different answers for this question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and join my community. Thank you.